In this video, we're going to be getting our tiki on, and I'm going to show you how to make the Painkiller Cocktail, which is a little flip on the Pina Colada. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. So today's cocktail is the Painkiller. A very simple tiki based cocktail, a little slight flip, as I mentioned, on the Pina Colada. It has got a little bit of coconut in there, but this is absolutely delicious. I love this one. We're going to serve it up as it's tiki. We're going to serve it up in a proper sort of tiki style glass. You see all these, I love my little collection of tiki mugs. Links I'll put a link in the show notes where you can get them from. Drink stuff, go and look out drink stuff. Anyway, right, so we're going to make this in our cocktail shaker. So the first thing we want, now I'm going to go this way round, I'm going to go coconut. Okay, now you could use cream of coconut and things like that. I use coconut purees. This is just a brand, it's pretty decent. Some bars will use Coco Real, sort of the tins. Others will sorry, this is Coco Real. What's the other one in the tins? Coco Lopez. There we go. Some bars will use Coco Lopez. I like to use Real. This is pretty much seen as one of the industry standard sort of coconut purees. Absolutely delicious, this one. And I just want 15 ml, okay, of coconut puree. 15 ml. Perfect. So I've done that first purely so I can wash out. I can use the rest of the ingredients to wash out the measure. All right. So we've got 15 ml going in there. Now, next ingredient you want is our rum. Now, it's traditionally made with sort of a navy rum, something like Pussers, something like that. I don't actually have it, I don't use it. The closest I would say to my own personal tastes that I've got in my little collection is just this World's End. It's a dark spiced rum, so it is completely different, but it has got that sort of navy feel to it for me. So I'm going this. It doesn't really matter, you just want, you know, kind of a nice sort of Demerara type rum. Something like that would work a treat. So I'm going 45 ml. I'm just going to use the little end just to wash it out. 45 ml. All right. So 20 ml, and then 25 ml, and then 20 ml. So we've just got under sort of double shot of rum going in there. So I absolutely love that. Just me. Let's not get pretentious about things. You don't have to stick to the same things. Have a little play about and make drinks how you want them. So it's just two more ingredients to come in here. The first ingredient is some orange juice, and I just want 20 ml of orange juice. 20 ml. Again, as I say in most of my videos, this is just supermarket. This is Tesco's. But this one's 100% squeezed, okay? It's not the bits, it's the smooth one, but 100% squeezed. I don't use the concentrate stuff, try not to. And then the final ingredient is pineapple. Again, exactly the same, this is 100% pressed and squeezed. So I had 20 ml of orange juice. I just now want 90 ml of pineapple juice. Okay, so we're going 50, and then we're going 40. Now, I said that was my final ingredient. I am actually going to add something a bit more just to give it a little bit more flavour. I'm going to use some bitters. You could use something like Angostura, that's absolutely fine. I love using these in my tiki cocktails. This is Bitterman's Elemanculi Tiki Bitters, cinnamon, allspice and island spices. And I just think that goes amazingly well with the rum as well. So I'm just going to add, not much, you don't need to go crazy. I'm just going to add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And bitters to us bartenders are like salt and pepper on your dinner, that sort of stuff. You'll see loads of different bitters about in the market, hundreds and hundreds. But there we go, that is essentially our cocktail. So I'm just now going to add some ice to this. And when you filled that up, you're now just going to give this a good shake. Get all this, so you need to get, you see that? You need to get all that coconut puree in there. So a good shake, 12 seconds or so, but hard, proper hard shake, all right? Right, when you're happy that's all nicely shaken down and all that coconut is blended in there, just take your glass out. No need to get too pretentious with this either. Just use that same ice, just pour that straight in. You don't have to use fresh ice in tiki cocktails. Just pour that straight in. there. I'm just going to top this up with a bit more ice. Go, a bit crushed ice to finish. Perfect there. And then garnish wise, again, whatever you fancy. I've got a little bit of pineapple there. Pineapple leaf, sit. Pineapple leaf as well. Pineapple spear, whatever you want to call it. And just serve with a straw. And that is the Painkiller, essentially rum, coconut, pineapple, orange. Tasty. It's fun. And I tell you what, even 3 drops in that, they really come through. It just gives it that little sort of spice feeling, spice taste, along with the rum. It's amazing. Really good, this. So there we have it. That's my Painkiller. I say, don't worry too much about the rum, it's fine. Let me know what you think to this cocktail. If you like it, give me a good old thumbs up, give me a like. If you like me and want to watch more of my stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell as well, because then that will notify you every time I set a new video live. And if you haven't done so already, go and check out my Patreon. Links in the show description below. It's 9 sort of new membership levels. There's 3 different tiers in there. Three different tiers in there, all trying to give back to you guys, trying to help you learn, teach you stuff, have some fun. Go and check it out, see what you think, and if you like it, you'll see exactly what to do. So there we go, Painkiller. Cheers.